Ever feel like talking to an AI is like rolling the dice? One day you get a masterpiece, the next day you get a hallucinated mess. The difference isn't the model, it's the framework. If you want professional grade result every single time, you need to stop chatting and start architecting. Here is the 4-part framework to master your output. First, define the role. Don't just ask for a script. Tell AI either senior DevOps engineer or a creative director. Setting the personal lock in the tone, the expertise, and the vocabulary. To see this series in action, we use the A/B testing approach. By keeping the core task identical, we can isolate exactly how much the personnel influence the final result. Prompt A, control, explain the concept of technical depth. Prompt B, variable, act as a senior software architect with 15 years of experience. Explain the concept of technical depth to a junior developer during a code review. Second, get context. AI is only as smart as the data you get. Fit it your project background, your existing code base, or specific documentation. Blind AI is useless AI. To understand prompt quality, you can think of context as the frame that narrow down the AI was internal knowledge to the specific solution unit. The signal-to-noise ratio often determines prompt quality. Follow signal, the prompt, write a login function. The AI doesn't know the language, the security requirement, or the framework. High signal, the prompt, write an HA interceptor for login request latency in a Postgres actual environment. By providing specific context, you eliminate noise, irrelevant information, and force AI to focus on the signal, the exact output you want. Third, state the task with precision. File context provide where and who the task is want. In prompt engineering, the task is the core command, the specific action you want the AI to perform. High quality prompt treat the task as precise instruction rather than vague suggestion. A well-defined task reduces the branching factor of the AI response, leading to more predictable and usable results. A high quality task description should be action-oriented, atomic, and structured. Vague tasks help me with my Flutter code. High quality tasks refactor the Flutter stateful widget to use the provider pattern for step management, focusing on using unnecessary rebuilds. By being specific about the how, refactor, and the why reuse rebuilds, you direct the AI focus toward optimization rather than just syntax correction. Finally, set a constraint. This is the secret sauce. Tell it exactly what you want, a JSON object, a markdown table, or a 50-word summary. And more importantly, tell it what not to do. Define your never rule to clear the fluff. Here are the primary type of constraint used in professional prompt design. Format constraint. This dictates the structure and syntax of the output. The AI is unsure when the AI's response needs to be passed by another program or fit into a specific layout. Structural, specifying JSON, XML, Markdown, or YAML. Quantitative, defining a word count, character limit, or number of paragraphs. Visual, requesting bulleted list, table, or specific headers. Stylistic and tonal constraint. This defines how the AI speaks rather than what it says. Persona, acting as a specific professional. Example, answer as a senior software architect. Complexity, targeting a specific audience. Example, explain the 4 or 5 years old versus use technical jargon for an expert. Sentiment, ensuring the output is professional, empathetic, witty, or neutral. Negative constraint tell the AI what not to do. This is often more effective than positive instruction for defining results. Forbidden content, do not mention topic X or avoid using cliches. Operational bars, do not apologize for being an AI or do not provide an intro or outro. Give me only the code. Grounding and knowledge constraint. This ensure the model stay within the bound of provided fact to prevent hallucination. Source restricted. Use only the provided text to answer the question. If the answer isn't there, say I don't know. Temporal. Assume the current date is dead or ignore any event after 2023. Next time you face a blinking cursor, stop chatting and start architecting. By mastering role, context, task, and constraint, you turn unpredictable AI into a precision tool. Control the framework and you control your workflow. Which of the 4 pillars do you struggle with the most? Drop a comment below with the prompt you've been using. And let's see if we can architect it together to get a better result.